Hello, welcome to another video of Photoshop. In this video, we are going to learn how to refine the hairs perfectly. In the video, you can see the image. A girl with a little bit of messy hairs. You can see. So first thing we might do, we will select Quick Selection tool. Here you can see. It is only the way to enable the option of select and mask, which you can see upwards. Here. But we won't select this. We will first take a dark layer so that we can select subject hairs perfectly. Now it looks good. Okay. Put it under our subject layer. Then select our subject layer. Select and mask. You all can see this. Then select subject. See, our selection has been done, but it not looks perfect. You can see the problems. Lots of problems are here. Hairs are not refined perfectly. To refine them perfectly, we will select Refine Edge Brush tool. You can see here. By selecting this, we will paint on the areas where you see the problems. It will automatically do its work. Paint slowly. Almost done. But still you all can see there is a background colors which might distract us. To reduce them, we will select Decontaminate colors. You can see here. Check this box. You can see our selection looks perfect, but you won't be able to see all the perfections because our background layer is so dark. Just hit OK. To see how perfect our selection has been done, we will select a bright background layer. Put it under our subject layer and see. Our perfection looks good. So thank you for watching.